bazooka, kaboom, kablow, kaboom. Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit. Kaboom, kablow, kaboom. I was in my room tryna teach my little sister. Then I heard a boom and it sounded like a missile. Who that is? What that was? Oh, that granny. Oh, she died. What they hit her with? What they hit her with a bazooka. Every time I close my eyes, I'm drawing